Ever feel like everyone else is confident except you? They walk into a room like they belong. They speak without second guessing. Meanwhile, you stay quiet. You overthink. You feel small, invisible. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, step by step. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how. In this video, we'll go through 7 simple and realistic ways to build real confidence, even if you feel like you have none right now. You won't need to fake anything. You won't need to become someone else. These are small habits that work in everyday situations, whether you're speaking up, meeting new people, or just trying to feel better about yourself. Let's get into it. The first principle is to fix your posture. That means standing or sitting like someone who believes in themselves. Even if you don't feel confident yet, act like it with your body. Keep your back straight, shoulders open, chin level. Breathe slowly and deeply. This may sound small, but it tells your brain you are in control. It also changes how people see you. When you shrink your body, you shrink your presence. But when you take up space, people notice. And you start to feel different too. Try it next time you enter a room. Don't look down. Don't fold your arms. Walk in with calm and steady energy. Confidence isn't about being loud. It starts with how you carry yourself. Change your posture, and you'll start changing how you feel. The second principle is to do one small brave thing each day. Confidence doesn't come from waiting until you feel ready. It comes from taking action, even when you don't. You don't need to do something huge. In fact, the smaller the step, the better. Say hi to someone you don't know. Speak up in a meeting. Try something you've been avoiding. These little moments feel scary, but that's where the growth happens. Each time you face a small fear, you send a message to yourself. You are capable. You are stronger than you thought, and you don't need to be perfect. You just need to take the step. The more you act despite fear, the more that fear fades. So pick one thing today, something that makes you hesitate, and do it anyway. That's how real confidence begins. The third principle is to keep small promises to yourself. Confidence isn't just about how others see you. It's about how you see yourself. And the fastest way to build self-trust is to do what you say you'll do. Not big goals or huge changes, just small, simple promises. If you say you'll go for a walk, go. If you plan to read one page, read it. These moments seem tiny, but they matter. Each time you follow through, you tell yourself, I can count on me. And that changes everything, because when you trust yourself, you speak differently, you walk differently, you stop second guessing all the time. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. One small promise, kept every day, can build more confidence than 100 compliments. The fourth principle is to speak simply and clearly. You don't need fancy words to sound confident. In fact, the more you try to impress, the less people listen. Confidence shows up in how calm and clear you are. Speak at a steady pace. Use short sentences. Say what you mean, then stop. You don't have to explain everything. You don't need to fill the silence. Let your words land and let people respond. It's okay to pause. It's okay to breathe. People pay more attention when you're not rushing. When you speak with clarity, you sound more certain. And you start to feel more certain too. So don't hide behind long explanations or nervous laughter. Say what matters. Say it once. Then let it be enough. The fifth principle is to let yourself fail on purpose. Most people avoid failure at all costs. But here's the truth. The more you try to avoid it, the more power it has over you. Confidence comes when you realize failure won't break you. So try something you're not good at. Be a beginner. Mess it up. And don't hide from it. Because when you fail and nothing terrible happens, your fear starts to fade. You learn to handle mistakes. You bounce back faster, and you stop being afraid to try. The goal isn't to succeed every time. It's to show yourself you can keep going no matter what. Confidence grows in those moments. Not when everything goes perfectly, but when it doesn't and you keep showing up anyway. The sixth principle is to stop saying sorry when you don't need to. So many people apologize just for existing. They say sorry for asking questions, sorry for having needs, sorry for speaking up. But confidence doesn't come from pleasing everyone. It comes from knowing your worth. You don't need to be rude. Just stop shrinking yourself. Instead of saying sorry for being late, say thank you for waiting. Instead of sorry for talking, say I appreciate you listening. Small change, big shift. When you stop apologizing all the time, you stop giving away your power. You teach people how to treat you, and you remind yourself that you belong, that you matter. No apology needed for being who you are. The seventh principle is to spend time with people who make you feel strong. Confidence is hard to build when you're always surrounded by criticism. You start doubting yourself. You second-guess everything you do. But when you're around people who believe in you, everything changes. You start to believe in yourself too. That doesn't mean you need constant praise. It just means choosing people who support your growth, people who listen, who encourage, who see your effort. Sometimes the most confident thing you can do is walk away from the ones who tear you down. You don't have to fix them. You just have to protect your energy. Because confidence grows faster in the right environment. Choose that for yourself. You're allowed. Let's bring all 7 principles together. 1, fix your posture. 2, do one small, brave thing each day. 3, keep small promises to yourself. 4, speak simply and clearly. 5, let yourself fail and survive. 6, stop apologizing when you don't need to. 7, spend time with people who make you feel strong. You don't need to become someone else to feel confident. You just need to show up for yourself again and again. Confidence is not a switch. It's a skill, and you can build it. And remember this, you don't become confident and then take action. You take action, and that's how you become confident. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more like this, and keep growing one step at a time.